that's about it for that, I guess.
Yeah.
In terms of in the fermenter,
Yes.
we knocked out nice and cold, so we want to try and build some nice esters in there. So
why is that important, Ben? Talk to me.
So basically, when you knock the beer into the tank, we pitch the yeast. We want the yeast to start growing and dividing,
Sure.
and then we want that switch into fermentation mode. We want to basically retard that a little bit so that the yeast distress very slightly, and they start building extruding esters and building these flavours. So with a cold knockout, 9 degrees, and then we slowly let that rise as the yeast activity starts to begin.
Okay.
Exothermic reaction brings the temperature up slowly, and we let that slowly rise up and build those flavours and allow the yeast to really thrive.
Yeah. What temperature do we land at once we've...
So we started ferment at 12 degrees,
Yep.
so we raised up to 12.
Yep.
We allowed that to ferment for about a week at 12, and then we rise up for a diacetyl rest.
And that's one of those key differences, isn't it, between ale and lager, the temperature of your fermentation and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah, 100%. Different strains of yeast, but effectively they're doing the same sorts of things, but that is the key difference, that yeast, lager yeast operates at a lower temperature and behaves differently because of that.
Yeah, those crazy Europeans and their cold temperatures, eh?